What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'm your host, Lionel Drew, and today we're diving into something that can completely change the way you look at making money online, and that is high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, let me start with this. High-ticket affiliate marketing is not about selling expensive things. I know that might sound confusing at first because when people hear high-ticket, they instantly think price tags. They think, man, I've got to convince someone to spend thousands of dollars. But that's the wrong mindset. High ticket affiliate marketing is about delivering immense value. See, the real game isn't price, it's transformation. People don't pay for products, they pay for solutions. They pay to save time, they pay to avoid pain, and most importantly, they pay for results. So when you understand that, everything changes because now you're not out here trying to sell something, you're helping someone solve a real problem. And here's where it gets powerful. One high ticket sale can be worth 100 small ones. Think about that for a second. You could spend all day chasing small commissions, grinding, posting nonstop, trying to piece together little wins. Or you could focus on providing real value to the right people and earn in one transaction what others are chasing all month. That's what I mean when I say work smarter, not harder. And listen, I'm speaking from experience here. When I first got into affiliate marketing, I was doing what most people do, posting links, hoping something sticks, getting little results here and there, but nothing consistent, nothing scalable, nothing that felt like a real business. And that's when I realized I needed a system, I needed guidance. I needed to learn how to do this the right way. That's when I found the OLSP system and my mentor, Wayne Crow. And let me tell you something, this changed the game for me because inside this system, it's not just about making money. It's about learning how to build something sustainable. It's about learning how to provide value, how to position yourself, how to attract instead of chase. And here's the part that really blew my mind. You can actually get paid while you're learning. Yeah, you heard that right. It's called the Earn While You Learn program. So instead of spending months trying to figure things out on your own, you're plugged into a system. You're getting free live training and you're earning at the same time. That's leverage. That's working smarter. That's what high ticket affiliate marketing is really about. And I know some of you listening right now, you've been trying to make this online thing work. You've watched the videos. You've tried different methods. You've maybe even felt like giving up at times. But let me tell you something. You're not far off. You just need the right environment, the right mentorship, and the right system. Because when those three things come together, that's when things click. That's when results start showing up. That's when your confidence builds. And that's when you start leveling up your earnings. For real. So here's what I want you to do. If you're serious about learning affiliate marketing the right way, if you want to stop guessing and start growing, if you want to plug into a system that actually works, go to olsplive.com. That's olsplive.com. That's where you can get started. That's where you can access the free live training. And that's where you can begin your journey with the Earn While You Learn program. No hype, no fluff, just real training, real support, and real opportunity. And before we wrap this up, if you got value from this episode, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was. I read those comments and I want to hear from you. Also, make sure you check the description and bio around this podcast because I've got daily bonuses, extra resources, and more information about the OLSP Earn While You Learn program waiting for you there. Listen, High ticket affiliate marketing isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about delivering value and positioning yourself in a way where one decision, one action can change everything. This is Lionel Drew, and this has been Internet Affiliate Secrets. I'll see you in the next episode.